Hello, everyone. You are welcome to my channel. Now, let me ask you a question. How will you know if a lady is wearing a male shirt? Now, this is how you will know, and you will know through the button stand. And that is what I am making in this video. This is a female shirt with a princess dart, and I'm just about to make the button stand. You know, in front of a shirt, either male or female, you have two sides, and then on the two sides there will be button stand. On one part of the button stand you will have the buttonhole. On the other part of the button stand you will have the button tacked on it. Now for female shirt like this one that I'm making, the part that has the buttonhole is on the right hand side of the shirt, while the part that you will tack the button is on the left hand side of the shirt. For male shirt, it is the opposite. Are you getting me? And when we get to the male shirt, I'm going to explain it again. Are you getting me? Now look at this. I'm applying the stay. Look at the way I'm positioning the stay very well. This is a front stay and it is a cloth stay. We don't use paper stay for shirt. In fact, for female shirt, I use two different types of stays. One is the front stay, like this one that I'm using, and then the second one is the lady stay, and I use that one for the collar if I don't want it to be that hard like a male collar. So watch what I am doing very well. This is the right hand side of the shirt, and that is the reason why I am applying this front stay on this part. This is the part that after sewing it, we are going to apply a buttonhole on it. And the reason why we put stay on this side is because the buttonhole machine is very, very strong. So for it not to bore hole on your cloth, you must make sure you apply a stay on that side. This is the second side of the front pattern of the shirt, of the female shirt. And then I'm not going to add any stay to this side because I'm just going to tack my button on it. So there is really no need putting a stay underneath it. Just make sure that you watch the way I iron it very well, the two sides, and how I folded it. If you do your own shirt exactly like this, you will be very, very fine. Are you getting me? I first of all fold the little part on the edge, and then you remember that we notch while we were cutting. Yes, we notch the button stand while we were cutting. So I'm going to follow that notching. You see the way I follow the notching to create the button stand. Give this video a thumbs up and kindly subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.